Good morning, students. I am Rajendra sir. Our next online class of class 9 Information Technology. This is our ninth lecture. Today's date 25 of April 2020. Now I have arrived at the output units. Dear students, you already learned all input device and what is the function of output units. So dear students, today's I try to well understand what is the function of output units and you know different types of output units. That is called today's our interesting class. Different types of output device you know. Now first of all the output units. The output unit is used for displaying or printing the processed data in a user readable form. A computer can have several output devices attached to it. Now our best examples of output device monitor. Monitor is also popular output device. Monitor is the most common output device. It is also called visual display unit, called video. It is just like television. A monitor also display the output on the screen. Dear students, you already know monitor is popular output device. Our monitor display all output in the form of soft copy. Our monitor display soft copy in the form of pixels. What is the pixel? Pixels, it stands for picture element. It stands for picture element. The picture on a monitor is made up of thousands of small colored dots called pixel. Dear student, एक एक पिक्सल के मिलने से आपका एक इमेज रेडी होता है. Now soft copy. The output display on the monitor is called soft copy. Okay. Now next, the most common types of monitor are first CRT monitor. CRT monitor means cathode ray tube monitors. Next, liquid crystal display means LCD monitors. LCD monitors is also known as the thin film transistor, that means TFT monitors. Third types of monitor, light emitted diode LCD monitors. Dear students, CRT monitors, LCD monitors and LED monitors today are more popular. LED monitors. Our next one by one details. Now CRT monitors. Dear students, CRT monitor is oldest types of monitors. It stands for cathode ray tube. It is the most common monitors. They consist of an electron guns. Color is achieved by combining red, green and blue, that is RGB, shaded of different intensities. CRT monitor are bulky and occupy a lot of space. They are available in various size like 14 inch, 15 inch, 17 inch and 21 inch and etc. Our next types of monitor are LCD monitor. LCD monitor, it stands for liquid crystal display. LCD monitor are relatively thinner and lighter than CRT monitor. They use the light modulating properties of liquid crystals. They save a lot of space and can be mounted on wall. They provide a wide viewing angle and come in various sizes such as 17 inch, 19 inch, 22 inch, etc. They display sharp image or require less power to run. Dear students, LCD monitors today are after CRT monitor is more popular. LCD monitors consumed less power than CRT monitors. This type LCD monitor fixed on the wall, so less space and safe. Our next popular monitors today is LED monitor. LED monitor is more popular than LCD monitors. It stands for light emitting diode. LED display is the latest development in this field. These monitors are light emitting diode that act as performance booster in them. LED monitors offer better color quality, clarity and displaying than the LCD monitor. These monitors are flat, thinner and lighter in weight. Dear students, today is the more popular monitor LED monitors because bigger advantage of LED display that is consume low power, यानी कम से कम पावर की जरूरत लेता है ये, which is especially needed for handheld and chargeable device such as mobile phone, tablets and laptops. Dear students, LED monitor offer better color quality, clarity and displaying than LCD monitors. डियर स्टूडेंट, एलईडी मॉनिटर्स को आप किसी भी एंगल से देखोगे तो आपको इमेज की क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी लगती है. एलसीडी मॉनिटर के कंपैरिजन में एलईडी मॉनिटर्स कम से कम पावर को कंज्यूम करता है. अगर पावर की दृष्टि से हम देखेंगे सीआरटी मॉनिटर सबसे ज़्यादा पावर को कंज्यूम करता है. इसके बाद इससे कम एलसीडी मॉनिटर से भी कम आ गया हमारा एलईडी मॉनिटर्स. सो लेटेस्ट LED monitor is the best monitor of any other monitor. Using LED monitors, you can also use in the form of monitors in the form of smart TV. Okay, smart TV is also known as LED monitors functions you want to access. Okay, thank you.